Oh, hello. You want some milk? No? Okay. Hi. And we're making crepes today. Woo! So here I am putting eggs, some sugar, and then some vanilla extract. Gotta put it on high mode for around, I don't know, mix it together for like 5 minutes, I think. But they said to mix it until it turned white. Something like that, but a little bit more white. And then, gotta put in melted butter. And then, I forgot something. Oh, hi, Mom. My mom looked great. Anyway, here's some vegetable oil that I forgot to grab earlier. Could have cut that part off easily, but I want to add my mom into the video too. So now I gotta lift it up and just mix it on low speed. Doesn't have to be that fast. Just want to mix them all together. Gotta sift some flour. Hi, Mom. Sift some flour, all-purpose flour. Oh, now this stuff is complicated. While I'm mixing, I gotta put milk, water, and the sifted flour that I just did with my magical spatula on the side, scraping it down. A little bit of each at a time. I also add some red food coloring to make it pink. Gotta chill it they said overnight, but they also said 30 minutes is also fine as well. Spoiler from the future, I kind of prefer overnight. So this is the crepes 30-minute chill in the fridge. It's kind of a mess, but it tastes great. Doesn't look that good, but it tastes very good, and I am proud of it. And I'm gonna enjoy my lunch now. Well, I'll make it better next time. Bye bye.